Say hey, everybody. Say my grandma, Yaya, just made me a banana formula smoothie, and I got banana wasted. Was it good? Was it good? How did you like it? Would you like me to make another one for you today? Okay. Well, what about tomorrow? Okay. Well, I think lunch was successful. What about you? Oh, okay. Well, tell everybody bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say, I gotta go burp now. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say, I love you, America. Say, I love you. Say, love you. All right. Say, peace out. Say, peace out. Do the two fingers. Okay. Bye-bye.